we outside. You hear it. Boy, it sound like shredding. As I was saying, it's been a minute, but we outside, we out here. We out here for Lexi and Jade. RIP to my homies, man. Y'all gone but never forgotten. We gonna make sure they don't forget. But we outside. I had to make sure taking over. I had to call off work. I had to support my homies. They would have did the same for me. You see my boy's car looking like a straight bucket out here. But look, you look from the front, woo, he wet from right here. As soon as you get to the back, I don't know about the back, boy. You see him? Hold on. Turn around. Let me see the shirt. Man.
Lonely the greatest.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it right there. I was just telling them about your car, how if you look at the front, it's wet, but then you get to the back. Get to the back, I don't know.
Hey, you see my headlights now?
What's your headlights? What's wrong with your headlights?
Oh, look how they look now.
Wait a second, hold on. Stop playing, they all clean, boy. My boy Chris got you right, huh?
Like Chris detailing 562, you feel me? Get at him on Instagram.
Stop playing. Right? He gets you right. Look, his headlights busting.
Oh, God.
Look at that. From right here, ooh, boy, that boy got the hottest Z outside. Oh, look. Stop playing. The other side. Stop playing.
Feel me?
Stop playing. That's why we outside today.
Check my dash.
Deep.
Hey.
My boy is dirty.
A quick little dip change in less than 20 minutes.
Didn't you like take a shower and then you ruined it already?
At least my ass ain't stinking no more.
Let me see. Here, let me swipe in. Let me smell it.
Hey, check the dash too.
What you got on the dash? Oh, stop playing.
Hold up, check the ECU.
What the ECU say on it?
That's on the ECU, my boy.
Where?
On the bay, bro.
Oh, where's the ECU at? Oh, damn. Hi.
My friend runs into me. Wants to say hi.
I'm gonna just walk through. You see the homies, the right-hand drive S13, the SR. We got wet cars out here. I'm about to go down the line. Come on, it's your time to shine. You're gonna be in the YouTube video. Stop playing. We got the homie out here. He outside. Everybody outside today. They about to run me over. Stop playing. Outside. Jeez. What they call you in the hood?
Mr. Mango.
Oh, jeez, stop playing with that boy.
whore. Oh look, there goes Chris. I'm vlogging.
Shake it, make it.
Jasmine, hungry ass. We're on Hot Girls camera.
You know me.
Thick girls only. And titties.
That one ain't got chichis.
Okay. That motherfucker barking.
Right over here. How bad?
Yeah, motherfucker barking.
I look dead. I look tired, huh? Whose camera is that?
We're on Hot Girls camera.
Told you when the cars like us to record.
Cause you're dumb.
An argument, because then we really gonna have a problem.
Shake it. Oh, you make it. Hey.
Let me see you shaking out for the shake it. You trying to make it? Ooh, stop playing. That big thing, boy.
Stop playing.
It's that big thing,
Shake
boy.
it till you make it.
I don't know about that one. Here, grab it.